Welcome to MHUTS Investment Basics. In this short video, let us understand what is investment and what are types of investment vehicles. Investment is process of investing time or money for profit. That means if we invest in something, that something should yield you the profit during the course of time or immediately. It's like you are traveling from point A to point B but in terms of your wealth. So it is investment vehicle. Let's see some of the investment vehicle which can yield good returns in future or immediately. Bank deposits, low risk. Stocks, moderate to very high risk. Real estate is long-term investment. Insurance, used for risk management. Precious metals like gold, stamps, antique coins etc. can give you good returns. Education can give immediate returns if used correctly. Yes, I'm sure this is not exhausting list of investment vehicles, but most of investment would under this categories. I must be guessing right, you must have lot of question now in your mind. How insurance can be investment vehicle. How education can return immediate returns. And many more. I'm sure we'll find out all answer if you stay with us long enough. We are committed to deliver most valuable content. If you want to find out risk and returns ratio of each investment vehicle, and how we can invest in each this investment vehicle, please follow me in my next video.